Welcome, and for now I'm using Oppo Reno, and today I will show you how to change date and time settings. So to start off, we will open up Settings app and then go to Additional Settings. So as you can see right here, and right at the top you will see Additional Settings, and here you can change a couple things. Number one, you can change from 24-hour to 12-hour clock. You can turn off the auto set time and date, and then you can choose the time zone that you wish, and also change the date and time itself, which for some reason it shows you today instead of the 30th. Funny way of showing you changing the time and date. Then you can change however you like. Here you can also enable dual clock. I mean, it's enabled actually, I think, by default. And then you can add a place, additional. You can add Manila, Philippines, whatever. And then you will have the option to display dual clock. You have it on lock screen and home screen. And you can flip it over on and off. And now you can see on the home screen you have two different clocks for my country or my city, and basically the capital, Philippines, and also on the lock screen as well. So that is basically how you change settings for date and time. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.